Hi, my name is Jem from Huawei Developers and welcome to Huawei tutorial series. Today, I'm going to talk about Huawei Analytics Kit. Huawei Analytics Kit is a one-stop user behavior analysis platform for mobile apps, web apps, and quick apps. Huawei Analytics provides data collection and management that allows enterprises to perform analysis in order to achieve effective user acquisition, product optimization, and business growth. By integrating Huawei Analytics Kit easily into your app, you are able to get automatic event reports and use it in order to enhance and maximize your app and your marketing strategies. In order to access Huawei Analytics Kit, first we need to activate the API located in your project settings on App Gallery. So, after signing to App Gallery Connect, select your project and go to Project Settings. Then, Manage APIs. Find the Analytics Kit service and activate the button. Now, you can implement Build Gradle dependency and create the instance of Huawei Analytics in the main activity of your app. Huawei Analytics provides this data as events. Let's see what type of event does it have. 1. Automatically collected events. This function is automatically enabled when you initialize the high analytics objects in your main activity. It requires no extra coding as it collects system events of your app, such as installation, uninstallation, update, launch, enter screen, exit screen, and many more. 2. Predefined events. This set of events are predefined on Huawei Analytics and can be used on demand. After coding, you can go to App Gallery Connect and follow Huawei Analytics, Management, and then Events. There, you can register a predefined event for your project. 3. Custom event. Huawei Analytics also allows developers to customize events and even extend parameters. What is more, you can add personalized parameters for predefined events in the system. The collected data is presented in rich reports and allows developers to perform data analysis in very advanced level. Let's overview the analysis types that Huawei Analytics allows us to make. Industry analysis allows generating industry-specific reports such as product sales analysis or product category analysis for e-commerce projects, as well as game top-up, levels and items, and user analysis for game projects. Behavior analysis allows to display and filter all events based on number of users, average activity time. User analysis. With this function, you can view the analysis reports on new, active, and revisit users, comprehensively understand how users are using your app. User lifecycle analysis helps you to improve the lifecycle value of your app by grouping users by phases based on how deep they use the app, such as beginner phase, mature phase, or inactive phase. It also predicts users with high churn risk based on a machine learning algorithm so that you can even save those users as an audience and reach them by using PushKit or App Messaging Kit. Audience analysis is a typical method for precise operations, which classifies users with the same or similar characteristics into an audience based on user attributes and behavior data. With funnel analysis, you can create a funnel for a key service process to analyze the user churn rate in each service step. Retention analysis. This function measures your users and enables you to analyze characteristics of them with high loyalty to realize precision marketing and targeted operations. Attribution analysis. This function measures the attributed events and target conversion events such as push message tap event to purchase event. This helps to optimize resource allocation and provides basis for marketing decisions. App debugging. During app development, the product manager and technical team can cooperate with each other through app debugging to verify data reporting, preventing event missing, and event attribute setting errors. SDK integration. You can integrate the Analytics SDK into your app in 4 steps and check whether the integration is successful. Tracing by coding. Analytics Kit provides you with tracing templates and sample code for apps in the gaming, education, sports and health, and general industries. Verify tracing events. You can use the verification function to identify incorrect event tracing configurations, such as incomplete configurations and exception in a timely manner, mitigating risk for your business. Tracing event management. You can view the event verification and registration data, the proportion of verified events to the upper limit, as well as proportion of registered parameters to the upper limit. Events. Event management supports the following operations: create, edit, enable, or disable predefined or custom events, set conversion events. User attributes. You can customize user attributes as needed, or edit or delete existing ones. Pages. You can check details about all pages of a project, as well as editing, deleting, or creating pages. Install referrer. You can configure install referrer matching and parsing rules to generate an install attribution report and evaluate whether a channel can acquire new users effectively. Export data. Analytics Kit provides the function of downloading event data. Analysis settings. You can manage Analytics Kit settings such as data sharing and test devices. Apps. You can configure app access. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.